Hello everyone, ciao a tutti. Welcome to lesson 22 of Italiano per principianti. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic, family, famiglia in Italian. Famiglia. It's a feminine word, so the article is la famiglia. Okay? Let's start with the parents. I genitori. The parents. I genitori. Perfect. So the mother. As in English, we have two possibilities. One that is more formal, mother, madre, madre. And the other one, mom, mamma. Madre, mamma. Same thing for the plural. Mothers, mamme. Mamma is a feminine word, so its plural is mamme. Then we have the father. Two options. Padre, father. Papà, with an accent, dad. Padre, papà. Fathers, padri. Padre is a masculine word, so its plural form is padri, with an I at the end. Awesome. How about son? Son is figlio. Figlio. Plural, figli. Okay? Figlio, figli. Daughter, figlia. Figlio is masculine, figlia is feminine. Daughters, figlie. Okay? And here we have a false friend. Relatives. Relatives in Italian is parenti. That is very similar to the English parents. So attention, when you want to talk about parents in Italian, you're talking about genitori. If you say parenti, you're talking about your relatives. Okay? Parenti. Brother, fratello. Fratello. Siblings, fratelli. Fratelli. So it corresponds to the plural of the singular son. Sister, sorella. Sorella. Sisters, sorelle. Okay? Grandfather, nonno. Nonno. So in Italian there is no difference between grandfather and granddad. It's always nonno. Grandmother, nonna. Nonna. Grandparents, nonni. So it's simply the plural form of the singular, nonni. Talking about grandparents, grandson, nipote, nipote, but nipote is also granddaughter, so there is no difference, okay? Nipote can refer to a boy or a girl. Plural, nipoti, with an I at the end. Nipote, singular. Nipoti, plural. Great-grandfather, bisnonno. Bisnonno. Great-grandmother, bisnonna. Awesome. Uncle, zio. Zio. Watch out to the sound of the letter Z. Zio. If you want to do the plural, you have to delete the O and add another I. Z. So Z-I-I. Zii. Zia, aunt. Zia. Plural, zie. Okay, Z-I-E. Cousin, cugino, masculine. Cugina, feminine. Cugino, cugina. Cousins, cugini. Cugini. Perfect. Then we have wife. Wife is moglie. Moglie. Wives, plural, mogli. So basically you just delete the final E. Moglie, singular, mogli, plural. Husband, marito. Marito. Husbands, mariti, with an I. Awesome. So let's do an exercise. So here, what I'm going to ask you is to describe the members of your family. So you have one sentence. Nella mia famiglia ci sono. That means in my family there are. What I'm going to ask you to do is to complete these descriptions. For example, there are 2 parents, there are 3 uncles, and so on. Okay? Just add as many members of your family as you can, because that becomes a good exercise. Okay? As usual, I'm gonna ask you to pause the video and resume it once you're finished. Okay? Let's do it. And here is an example. So in my case, nella mia famiglia ci sono 3 nonni, 4 nipoti, 4 zie, 5 zii. Of course, this is just an example. Okay? Awesome. So let's review all the words we have seen today. As usual, please repeat right after me. Famiglia, genitori, madre, mamma, padre, papà, figlio, figlia, fratello, sorella, fratelli, zio, zia, nonno, nonna, bisnonno, bisnonna, nipote, moglie, marito, cugino, cugina, parenti. Always remember the difference between genitori, parents, and parenti, relatives, okay? That's a huge false friend. Awesome! Complimenti! Congratulations! You have just finished this new lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson about family, and I'm looking forward to starting a new lesson with you. Have a great day! A presto! Ciao!